For Sukuma Wiki farming, spacing is a factor that you need to look at without ignoring other factors of seed variety, irrigation and everything. So you can have different spacing in your Sukuma Wiki. You can have 20 by 20 centimeters from one plant to the other 20, from one line to the other 20. But that one needs in a very hot areas where there is some irrigation challenges, or those who are doing furrow irrigation, you do that. But if you're not in a hot area, try to increase your spacing, make it 30 centimeters from one plant to the other, or make it 40 centimeters from one plant to the other. 40 centimeters is good, 30 centimeters is okay. In my case, I'm doing 30 centimeters and I've been able to have the best of the best crop population. So going by that, you are going to get the best of the best. If you do it past 40, you are going to have a very wide gap and you won't have good crop population. Remember, also crop population counts, because when we talk of achieving this amount of kgs or harvesting this amount of leaves or making this amount of money, it has to come hand in hand with crop population. Don't ignore the spacing. Do the best spacing for you that suit for you. Mine is 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, and make money in Sukuma Wiki farming. Bye.